Restoring shine and removing imperfections does not have to be complicated or time-consuming when you have the right tool in your hands. This premium 7-inch buff ball is designed as an all-around solution for polishing and cleaning a wide range of surfaces with speed, control, and confidence. From automotive detailing to home maintenance projects, it delivers consistent results that are easy to see from the very first use. The buff ball features a high-quality 7-inch head paired with a durable shaft that fits any standard 3/8-inch drill or air tool, making it compatible with equipment most users already own. Its size is ideal for covering larger areas efficiently while still being flexible enough to work around curves, contours, and hard-to-reach spots. This versatility allows it to be used safely on metal, plastic, fiberglass, chrome, aluminum, and many other surfaces. Designed for performance, the buff ball is power-rated for speeds up to 2,500 revolutions per minute and includes a self-cooling construction. This helps prevent overheating during extended use, reducing the risk of scorching or burning surfaces. Unlike traditional foam buffers, it will not tear when it contacts sharp edges, giving you greater durability and peace of mind during demanding jobs. With proper use, it quickly and safely buffs away brake dust, scuff marks, light scratches, oxidation, chalking, tarnish, pitting, and corrosion. The ball is also washable and reusable, making it a practical long-term addition to your detailing or polishing setup. Included with the buff ball is a bonus 1.76-ounce tube of paste polish suitable for metal, plastic, and fiberglass, allowing you to get started right away. Whether you are a beginner learning the basics of polishing or an experienced detailer looking for reliable results, this buff ball delivers professional-level performance at home. Click the product link in the video description to learn more and purchase this polishing tool. Subscribe to the channel to discover more tools, tips, and product reviews that help you achieve better results with less effort.